Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to show you guys something cool, kind of a lantern hack that I came up with. So I saw on the internet that you can use olive oil and stuff like that in your lamp. It just doesn't work very well. Well, I came up with using jean fabric as a wick because it's thinner and it would absorb it, plus it's cotton. So I used the jean fabric and I just folded it and I put it in the lantern with vegetable oil and not olive oil, and I let the whole thing set for like an hour to soak up, and you can pretty much see the results. The burn time on this was about 10 minutes per inch of wick. So, you know, if you have a scrap pair of jeans and you cut like a 6-foot length of folded wick, I mean, just, you know, think in a survival situation to get light, something that you can carry around, that'll definitely work. The wick works really well with turning it down and turning it up. It doesn't really seem to be an issue. You can see I'm turning it down right here as low as it'll go, and it's basically just smoldering, and I just turn it right back up and it picks right back up like there's no problem at all. So this works just fine as an alternative. Now, it's not the best, but you know, if you got just household products and you're in a pinch and you're trying to make do with what you got in a situation where you don't have power, you know, a hurricane, a storm, something like that, this hack will definitely work. So, like I've said, I've seen the hack with the oil, the olive oil, but like I said, this is vegetable oil. But I never saw anybody use jean fabric as a wick. So that's all this is just 100% cotton jean fabric, folded over to where it will fit in there. That's it. There's nothing special about it. It works just fine. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video and you learned something. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.